Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Honda Super Cub C125, registered the 25th of September 2021 on a 71 plate with only 286 miles, and presented in matte axis grey metallic and benefiting from service history. This charming 4-speed scooter is adorned with LED lighting, an easy-to-read digital speedometer, keyless ignition and ABS braking. With a low seat height of 780 mm and weight of just 109 kilograms, this lightweight compact package is easy to maneuver and will zip in and out of traffic with ease. It also holds the road surprisingly well, with its 17-inch wheels and its impressive fuel economy. The Super Cub 125 is designed to deliver excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective option for daily commuting. It's no wonder this handsome scooter won MCN's Best Scooter Award. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse or something to pop on the back of a motorhome, then look no further than this little beauty. This dependable learner legal scooter will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive PDI inspection, 12 months MOT and 3-month warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 014 24 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.